Today, we're drawing something that brings joy to many hearts, a slider. Are you ready for some artistic fun?
Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Hello kids, today I draw a slide for kids and a girl walking on the slide. So let's try trying. Yay! Okay, first I draw a slide. Yay! Draw a straight line and then second straight line. And then draw the stairs for the slide. Just draw with me. And now I am making the stairs. Yummy. Now I draw a girl. First I draw the head, then hair, then ears, and then mouth. Now I draw a hand and then her body. This is the hand, and this is her backpack. This is a frog there. And the eyes is moving. Wow! In the last, I draw the foot.
Okay, let's start coloring. First, I take the orange color for the slide. Then I take the brown color. Black color for the hair, girl. Pink color for her clothes. Blue color in skirt. Green color in bag steps. Now in the last, I take the yellow color for the face.